everyone. Today we're going to take a quick walk around look at this 2016 Ford Mustang GT. This Mustang is in deep impact blue, has the dark charcoal premium cloth interior, this vehicle also has the black painted roof. It is rear-wheel drive. It is powered by the 5.0 liter TIVCT Coyote V8 engine. Uses a 6-speed Getrag manual transmission. Gloss black trunk bezel with the GT badge. Bright tip dual exhausts. Center mounted backup lamp. You've also got ultrasonic parking sensors. You've also got a reverse camera with active guidance lines. Around the rear, LED tri-bar tail lamps. They also flash and sequence with the turn indicators. "19-inch gloss black painted aluminum wheels on front and rear. You do have staggered wheel sizes though, or tire sizes. The rears measure 275/40 ZR19s, while the fronts measure 255 ZR19. Front tires, Pirelli P0 Nero tires. Front brakes are Brembo calipers. Alright, this vehicle does have Ford's intelligent key access system. By placing a key fob in your purse or pocket, you're able to lock and unlock the vehicle doors. To lock the vehicle, simply locate the ribbed portion of the door handle, press it, the vehicle will lock. To unlock, simply wait a few moments and grab the handle as you would open it. Alright, inside we have power heated mirrors, power windows, and power door locks. Satin silver trim. Six-way power driver and passenger seat with manual seat back adjust. The driver's seat also has two-way adjustable lumbar support. Automatic headlamp control and fog lamp control. You've also got your instrument panel dim, trunk release button. Nice amount of storage on the dash for the driver. Leather wrap, tilt and telescoping steering wheel with multifunction controls. Alright, I'm panning through the interior just to show more details. Satin silver trim continue on the steering wheel spokes. Driver information display controls, audio controls, Bluetooth phone controls, and cruise controls are all on the steering wheel. .1-inch display facing the driver displays all trip information controls. Okay, so here's gauge mode. Shows all the different gauges here: air fuel ratio, cylinder head temperature, inlet air temperature, oil temperature, and voltage. But if you actually click on the buttons on the steering wheel, if you click to the right, it'll actually show the actual gauge. And track apps, your accelerometer, acceleration timers, braking performance, This vehicle currently has 3,508 miles on it. Moving down the center stack, twin circular air vents. You've also got your oil pressure PSI gauge and your manifold vacuum gauge. LCD display. Audio controls. Climate controls. Engine start stop button. Four-way flashers. Stability control. And your steering modes. Storage in the center armrest with a removable liner. You've got a USB input and a 12-volt power point. Automatic dimming rearview mirror. You've also got overhead map lights, illuminated vanity mirrors, sliding visors, alright, and looking at the rear seat does seat 2 across. It is a 50-50 split folding seat. Alright, to open the trunk is easy. Just press the trunk release button on the dash. Alright, looking at the luggage area. It's pretty nice and spacious for a car of this class. Fully lined and fully carpeted. Underneath the floor mat, in lieu of a spare tire, you have the tire inflator kit. Alright, and this does conclude our quick walk around look at this 2016 Ford Mustang GT. If you have any questions or would like to see this vehicle, please contact our showroom. One of our friendly sales staff will be more than happy to answer any questions that you may have. And as always, thanks for watching.